guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Halloween video, but of course, and today we are channeling the demon of love. Alright, so if you guys are digging this look, go ahead and stay tuned because we are going to begin right now.
Show me what you're working with. You look like you just woke up. Breath probably still stink. Alright, I'm gonna do one more.
Have no fear, don't worry. I went to go brush my teeth and wash my face before filming this video. However, it was about 6 in the morning and I was still half asleep. Therefore, I also forgot to press record once I came back and I missed the whole beginning half of this video. So just to catch you up on the colors I mixed a green, baby blue, as well as a white to create this kind of green here, and I used a Snazaroo sponge to really push everything into the skin in order to not have any streaks. I'm now going to conceal my dark green circles and create highlights all over the face, by using a white cream face paint from Snazaroo and still using my Snazaroo sponge to push everything into the skin. I'm now going to start contouring with the original green shade and still using the same Snazaroo sponge to blend everything into the skin. I forgot to mention that I did glue down my eyebrows, which I don't know why I did that. I actually did not like how it looked afterwards, so just ignore that step. Also, as you can see here, I was clearly still asleep in my head because I was applying Pros-Aide onto the horns and applying it onto already painted skin. Therefore, the Pros-Aide wasn't sticking right away and I had to fumble with this a little bit. But it's okay. I got it right after some time. I'm now going in with a little bit of Mehron Paradise paint in pink for my eyebrows, and this is where the look gets really easy. You just want to create your now demon of love face, and you can use whatever color you choose. I really did love the idea of a green and pink color. I also again saw this look floating around from Blonde Taki, I believe that's how you pronounce her name. You guys can find her on Instagram. She has really awesome work. I'm now going to use some fuchsia pink lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills to apply onto my eyelids and my lower lash line. I'm now going to just blend that out using a blending brush, and the reason why I chose lipstick is because I found that this was actually going to blend out a lot better on the cream paint opposed to me using an eyeshadow. I wanted to create a really smoked out pink look, and I applied that same pink paint that we used on our eyebrows in the center of the lid, and then I went over with a little bit of white cream paint in order for it to look a little more pink, because as you can see, it was getting a little lost in the lipstick. I now wanted to smoke out the center of my lip to give a more pouty look. Thought this was really cute, and I went in with that fuchsia color as well from the Anastasia palette. So I'm now using the Mehron Paradise paint in the color black for my eyeliner, along with the Wolf Essentials brush to apply it. You guys can use actual eyeliner, however I did know that I was going to go wash this right off, so I didn't bother to waste my actual eyeliner. I'm now going in with the Mehron Paradise paint in Clown White to create all the highlighted areas on my face. This is really just going to make everything pop a little more. And guys, this look is super easy. All you have to do now is throw on your little lashes and pop on a really cute wig, and your look is all complete.
Something so real.